Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best AGM battery chargers that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're maintaining a car battery, restoring a deeply discharged battery, or just looking for peace of mind during the winter months, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's dive right into it. Starting off at number 5, we have the NEXPEAK 12-amp smart battery charger. This charger is packed with features, offering compatibility with both 12 volts and 24 volts lithium and lead-acid batteries, including AGM, gel, SLA, and deep cycle batteries. It uses a 7-step charging sequence to diagnose, charge, desulfate, and maintain your battery. The LCD screen is bright and easy to read, showing vital stats like voltage, current, and charge percentage. When it comes to design, the NEXPEAK charger sports a compact build with a mix of red and yellow accents. It's lightweight at just 1.76 pounds, making it portable for home or garage use. The charger also boasts multiple protections, including reverse polarity, overcharging, and overheating safeguards, ensuring safe and efficient charging. On the performance side, this charger stands out with its pulse repair mode, which helps recover battery performance for stronger starts. However, it struggles with completely dead batteries and may not be the best choice for high-demand users. If you're looking for a budget-friendly option with plenty of safety features and a user-friendly interface, the NEXPEAK charger is a solid pick. Its biggest downside is that pricing information is unavailable, making it harder to evaluate its value proposition. At number 4, we have the Yonhan Battery Charger 20A. This charger is a powerhouse with a charging capacity of 20A for 12-volt batteries and 10A for 24-volt batteries. It caters to a wide variety of batteries, including Life PO4, AGM, GEL, SLA, and flooded batteries, making it versatile for automotive, marine, and deep cycle use. The winter and summer modes adjust the charging rate based on temperature, a thoughtful feature for seasonal battery maintenance. The Yonhan charger is built for durability with a robust design featuring a black and red color scheme. It's slightly bulkier at 2.68 pounds, but the extra weight comes with added performance capabilities. The LCD screen is large and bright, providing real-time information on battery status and charging progress. Safety features like reverse polarity protection, a cooling fan, and short-circuit protection make it a reliable option. Performance-wise, the Yonhan excels in speed and efficiency, making it ideal for users who need to charge larger batteries quickly. Its pulse repair mode can help recover older or idle batteries, although it won't work on completely dead batteries. Overall, this charger is perfect for those with diverse battery needs and who require extra power capacity. Pricing is unavailable, which makes it difficult to determine its overall value, but its feature set is undeniably impressive. Coming in at number 3 is the NEXPEAK NC201 10-amp battery charger. This charger strikes a balance between performance and ease of use. It offers 10-amp charging for 12-volt batteries and 5-amp for 24-volt batteries, making it faster than lower-amp chargers while still being gentle on battery life. It supports AGM, gel, SLA, and flooded batteries, as well as pulse repair for battery restoration. The design is compact and lightweight at just 1.23 pounds, with a large LCD display that provides detailed information on charge status, voltage, and temperature. Safety features like reverse protection, overcurrent, and short-circuit safeguards make it user-friendly and secure. The charger's plug-and-play functionality simplifies the charging process, making it accessible even for beginners. Where the NEXPEAK NC201 shines is in its versatility and efficiency, particularly for users who need a reliable charger for a range of vehicles. However, it cannot charge completely dead batteries and may not be suitable for high-drain applications. With a solid feature set, this charger is great for casual users and those seeking a dependable trickle charging solution. Its price is not listed, which makes it harder to assess its value compared to competitors. At number 2, we have the NOCO Genius 10, a premium choice for those who want top-notch performance. This 10 ampere charger is designed for both 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, including lead-acid and lithium-ion types. It features an integrated thermal sensor for precision charging, avoiding overcharging in hot weather and undercharging in cold. With its ability to charge batteries as low as 1 volt and the force mode for manual charging, this charger is ideal for recovering deeply discharged batteries. The Genius 10's design is sleek and compact, weighing 3.99 pounds with a sturdy black finish. It includes a 72-inch AC cable and 80-inch DC cable for flexible charging options. Safety is prioritized with overcharge protection and temperature compensation, making it a reliable choice for long-term maintenance. Performance-wise, the Genius 10 is a powerhouse, delivering fast and efficient charging with unmatched battery restoration capabilities. It's perfect for users with high-demand needs, such as marine and deep-cycle batteries. The price of $80.96 reflects its premium status, but if you're looking for a durable, high-performing charger, this one's hard to beat. Finally, at number 1, we have the NOCO Genius 1, the budget option that punches well above its weight. This 1A charger is perfect for 6-volt and 12-volt batteries, including AGM, GEL, SLA, and lithium-ion. Despite its compact size, it delivers impressive performance with features like temperature compensation and precision pulse charging to extend battery life. It can charge batteries as low as 1 volt and includes a force mode for manual charging. The Genius 1 is remarkably small and lightweight at just 15.2 ounces, making it ideal for users who need portability. Its black design is sleek and minimalistic, with a direct wall plug-in for convenience. It also includes integrated eyelet terminals and battery clamps, ensuring versatility for various applications. Priced at just $29.95, the Genius 1 is an unbeatable value for everyday users. It's perfect for trickle charging and maintenance. Although its lower amperage means it's not ideal for quickly charging large batteries. Overall, it's the best choice for budget-conscious buyers who want reliable performance without breaking the bank. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.